Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically kind of unfollow people on Instagram without them knowing. Well, they won't know if you unfollow them, like they obviously won't get an Instagram, but obviously if they do check, they'll be able to see that you don't follow them anymore, but you just don't want to see their posts, their stories and whatnot on your page. It's just, you don't want to see that. Sometimes I see stories and they're like annoying, and then sometimes I do mute people's stories because it's annoying. Sometimes I just block them if it has stuff to do with politics, because that's on a different level than something that's annoying. Anyways, to mute somebody, this is just an example. Let's pick, I don't even follow anybody here. Well, to mute somebody, I'm gonna just follow, let me follow Taylor Swift. So to mute somebody, just select the following and then go to the mute section, and then you can either mute just the post or the stories or the notes. Like Instagram won't let them know you muted them. So for instance, you just want to do the post, you're just going to enable that. If you want to mute just the stories, you can just mute stories. If you want to mute notes, you can just mute notes, and you can even mute every single thing if they bother you that much. Obviously Taylor Swift doesn't bother me. This is just my voiceover account. And I'm trying to show you guys, if you want to mute people, that's how you can do it. You won't be able to see any of their posts anymore. But if they do bother you by talking to you, maybe I suggest block them or unfollow them. But yeah, if you do use this, their posts and stories won't appear anymore on your Instagram page, and you don't even have to unfollow them, just in case they do check their followers, which I don't really check who else who still follows me and not. But if they do check, if you're looking at their stories, maybe they'll catch on. But I don't think people care that much, unless they like you or something. I don't know. But that is how you can basically follow people on Instagram, unfollow people on Instagram without them really knowing. I know it's not literally you unfollowing them, but you're just muting, but it is pretty similar in a sense. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.